Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are absolutely fine. Welcome you again to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I hope you all of you have performed well in assessment. So today we will start a new chapter, lesson number 8, winds, storms and cyclones. Topics to be covered in this chapter: introduction, air exerts pressure, high speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure, air expands on heating, wind currents are generated due to uneven heating on the earth, thunderstorms and cyclones, tornadoes, and safety measures.
Winds, storms, and cyclones. The weather of the place we live has a tremendous effect on our daily life. From the shelter we build to the clothes we wear and the food we eat, everything is affected by the weather of the place. Also, if the weather turns severe, like strong winds or a cyclone or heavy rains, it can have a great impact on the lives of the people. These natural calamities affect everything, including agriculture, transport, and electric supply, and can even cause the place to become isolated from the rest of the world. What are cyclones? How are they formed? Why are they so destructive? In this chapter, we shall seek the answer to some of these questions. Now, let us understand what is wind.
So, what is wind? Moving air is called wind.
Now, what happens to the hair when you leave your hair open and suddenly switch on the fan? It tends to fly. Now, what makes your hair fly? It's the moving air, it's the wind which makes the hair fly. You might have noticed what happens to clothes when you leave them to dry in the sun during windy weather. They tend to fly. If you do not clip them properly, they actually fly away with the wind. Try this out. Leave the book open and then keep it under the fan, which is on. What happens? Yes, you can see that the pages of book get turned on their own. You are not turning pages, it's just happening on its own. But if there is no wind or no moving air inside the room, that doesn't happen. The pages remain where they are. As soon as there is an air, the pages tends to move with the moving air. You might have also noticed when traveling from one city to another, you would have seen windmills, fan-like structure, which keeps rotating. Now how it is rotating? Nobody is rotating, so they rotate with wind. Whenever there is a moving air, that makes this windmill to rotate. Now for what purpose do we use this windmill? Windmills may be used to grind grain into flour, to pump water, or to produce electricity. Have you ever noticed what happens to the flag when it is hoisted? Yes, the flag tends to fly. When you keep the window open, you will see that the curtains are moving with the wind.
Friends, today we have discussed about wind. I have attached the URL video and notes to the classroom. And as you know, there will be a test paper related to this topic. So please attend the test paper and post it. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.